Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. It's a pleasure to meet you again. I hope you all are well and enjoying my sessions. Do you know students what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn the pet animals. Pet animals are those which we can keep at our home. Students, do you know some pets name?
Ma'am, dog, cat, horse, rabbit.
Very good. Now students, I will show you some pictures of animals and you will tell me that we can keep that animal at our home or not and why.
Okay, ma'am.
Zebra. Students,
Can you keep zebra at your home?
can you keep at your home, students?
No, ma'am, we can't keep zebra at our home.
Very good.
Can
Can
you keep
you keep at your home?
Ma'am, no, we can't keep elephant at our home.
Very good. Students, do you have pet at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what is the name of your pet?
Ma'am, Jackie.
Very good. How you take care of your pet?
Ma'am, I give him bath every day. I give him the food on the time. I take him for outside for walk and also plays with him.
Very good. Now students, open page number 54 of your book I Can Achievers 3. Here students, you will have to match the words that sound the same words. Now students, the first word is R-E-D, red. The sound of the red is at. So now you tell me students, which word has the same sound as red?
Ma'am, bed.
Very good. Students, the second word is P-E-G, peg. The sound of the word is peg is egg. So now you tell me students, which word has the same sound as peg?
Ma'am, leg has same sound as peg.
Very good students. The third word is H-E-N, hen. The sound of the word hen is N. So now you tell me students, which word has the same sound as hen?
Ma'am, the word then has same sound as hen.
Very good students. Students, the fourth word is net. N-E-T, net. The sound of the word net is act. So now you tell me students, which word has the same sound as net?
Ma'am, jet has same sound as net.
Very good. Now students, recite the story The Little Red Hen after me. Little red hen found a grain of wheat. Who will Who will plant this? She asked. Not, I said the cat. Not, I said the goose. Not, I said the rat. Then I will, said little red hen. She buried the wheat in the ground. After a while, it grew up yellow and ripe. The wheat is ripe now, said Little Red Hen. Who will cut and and thresh it? Not, I said the cat. Not, I said the goose. Not, I said the rat. Then I will, said Little Red Hen. So she cut it with her bill and there shed it with her wings. Then she asked, who will take this wheat to the mill? Not, I said the cat. Not, I said the goose. Not, I said the rat. Then I will, said the Little Red Hen. So she took me the wheat to the mill where it was ground. Then she carried the flour home. Who will make me bread with this flour? She asked. Not, I said the cat. Not, I said the goose. Not, I said the rat. Then I will, said Little Red Hen. So she made and baked the bread. Then she said, now we shall see who will eat this bread. We will, said goose and rat and cat. I am quite sure you would, said Little Red Hen, if you could get it. Then she called her chicks and they eat up all the breads. There was none left at all for the cat or the goose or the rat. I hope you have enjoyed the story, students. Now, students, let's clear the concept of near and far. Students, far means the things that are away from us, and near means the things that are very close to us. Like in the first picture, students, you can see the first girl is near to the tree and the second girl is away from the tree. In the second picture, you can see the first house is near and the second house is far. Now, in the third picture, you tell me, students, in which picture the boy are near and far?
Ma'am, in the first picture, the boys are far, and in the second picture, the boys are near.
Very good. In the fourth picture, which girl is near to the dog and which girl is far to the dog?
Ma'am, in this picture, the first girl is near to the dog, and the second girl is far to the dog.
Very good. Now, students, let's do the concept of this and that. We use this for the things which is near to us and that for the things which are far from us. Like in this picture, students, you can see in the first picture the apple is in the hand of girl. There are Therefore, we say this is an apple. And in the second picture, the apple is away from the girl. Therefore, we say that is an apple. Similarly, students, when we have more things, we use these for that which are near to us and those for that which are far away from us. Like in this picture, you can see the basket full of apples are in the hands of girl. Therefore, she will say these are apples. And in the second picture, the apples are on the table, and now she will say those are apples. Now students, open your book. I can achiever sorry, theme, page number 55. Here students, you will have to look at the picture and write the words like you can see in the first picture. The puppies are near to the girl, therefore she will say these are pups. In the second picture, the hands are near to the girl, therefore she will say these are hands. In the third picture, the pups are away from the girl, therefore she will say those are pups. In the fourth picture, the hands are away from the girl, therefore she will say those are hands. Now students, I will tell you some points that how we should take care of your pets. Students, we should treat them with lots of love and care. We must give the proper diet. We should take them out for a week walk. Sorry students, walk. We must take them for their vaccination on time. We should keep the environment clean for them. We should make a different shelter for them. Student, we should follow these little points to take care of their pets. Now students, recite the story The Lion and the Mouse after me. Once there was a lion. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on it. The lion was disturbed and arose from his sleep. It caught the mouse angrily and tried to crush it to death. Then the mouse prayed to the lion to leave him and assured that it would help him when it needed. The lion laughed at it and let him off. One day the lion was caught in a net spread by a hunter. It roared and tried to escape, but in vain. The mouse heard the lion's rearing and came there. It started cutting the net with its sharp teeth. The lion escaped and thanked the mouse. I hope you have enjoyed the story, students. Now students, open page number 56 and 57. Here students, we have some jumble pictures and we will have to number them in the correct order as we have learnt in the story. Students, you have learnt the story, then what happens first in the story? At first the lion was sleeping, then give the picture number 1 in which the lion is sleeping. After that, what happens? The mouse starts playing on him, so give him the number 2. The picture in which the mouse is playing on the line. After that, what happened? After that, the line caught the mouse. So give him number 3. In which the line caught the mouse. What happened after line caught the mouse? After that, the mouse prayed to lion to leave him, and the lion let him go. So give the number 4 to the picture in which the lion let the mouse to go. Then what happened after it? After it, the lion get caught in hunter's mouse to go. Then what happened after it? After students, hunter's trap. So give the picture number 5 in which the lion is trapped. Now what happened when the lion get trapped? After that, mouse hears roar of the lion. So give the picture number 6 in which the mouse hear lion's roar. What happened when mouse hear lion's roar? After that, he reached to the lion to help him. So give the picture number 7 in which the mouse reached the lion. What happened when mouse reached lion? Mouse bites the net with his teeth, and then lion say thank you to give him. So give the picture number 8. Okay students. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.